Oh, something else is coming. Oh, any more space?
So this is our furniture. We're going to be 8 Town Square.
Okay.
Alright, if you want it.
Sure.
If you guys want, the red horses might have more room on it. If you guys want to take a trip back downtown square, we might have more room. If not, you guys are more welcome to check out the bus. If not, we'll be coming back here in the next 5 or 10 minutes. Alrighty folks, well welcome aboard the Fire Engine. Glad you guys had a great day here at Disneyland. Just to receive you guys, we're going to be heading down Main Street. So please remain seated at all times. We'll keep our hands, arms, feet, legs inside the car. And our next stop will be back downtown square.
Good.
Alright, here we go.
Sounds good.
Baila cucaracha.
Down the street.
So each vehicle has a designated stop.
Alright, there we are.
Oh, very nice. Thank you very much there.
Alright, well guys, have a good night.
Okay, let me get my bag over there.
Watch your step first, see you guys.